Good afternoon. Welcome to the RSS educational channel. Today we will discuss regarding the following things in mathematics, that is concept of radian, concept of pi, perimeter of a circle, how the formula of perimeter of a circle comes, and area of a circle, how the formula of the area of a circle has been derived, perimeter of a sector of a circle and area of a sector of a circle. Before going to detailed discussion, I will request all the participants to subscribe the channel and to like and share the video so that I can get motivation for uploading good videos. So let us come to the discussion now. Concept of radian. Actually, if we cut an arc which measures to the radius of a circle from the periphery of a circle, that arc make an angle at the center of the radius, center of the circle. Suppose this is a circle and the radius of the circle is small r. If we cut an arc along this path and which curve length is s equal to r, then this sector makes an angle theta, then this sector makes an angle theta at the center of the circle. This is known as 1 radian. It means if we take this radius and spread this radius along this curvature path where s equal to r and length of curved surface, length of curved path is r, then the angle which is determined by intersection of this point and the center of the circle, that is known as 1 radian. 1 radian is equal to 57.23 degree, which makes an angle 57.23 degree at the center of the circle. It is not material, it is irrespective to the diameter of the circle. If we go for higher diameter also, then also again this is theta, and suppose this is r1 and this is theta, this equal to s1, that means s1 equal to r1. This is radian. So I think radian is clear, and this makes an angle 57.23 degree at the center of the circle. So definitely we know that center of a circle has an angle of 360 degree. Center of a circle has an angle of 360 degree. So how much radian? In radian, angle at center of circle is equal to 360 by 57.23 equal to 6.28 radian, that is 3.14 into 2, 3.14 radian into 2. So 180 degree equivalent to pi radian, that is equal to 3.14 radian, 3.14 numerical value. So 180 degree equal to pi radian and 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. So the center of a circle contains 2 pi radian angle. Hope this things is clear. Now we will discuss regarding the perimeter of a circle. Definitely S equal to R So, for 1 radian, traveled path equal to r, so for 1 radian angle, traveled path along periphery, equal to r. So for 2 pi radian which is created in the center of a circle, traveled path will be 2 pi r. This is known as perimeter of the circle. So perimeter of the circle is determined as 2 pi multiplied by r, where 2 pi is the angle inside the circle and which is multiplied with r. Again, we will discuss regarding the area of the circle. Area of the circle, definitely area of the circle will be determined like this. If we consider this as a triangle, suppose AOC, if we consider this sector AOC as a triangle, and if we treat this AC as the base of the triangle, the AOC in triangle AOC area equal to half AC multiplied by OC. In case of a circle, if we multiply this as the curved length, then it becomes half into S into R. That is half into 2 pi r into r for full circle, half into 2 pi r into r, that means equal to pi r square. So the area of the circle should be pi r square, which is determined as the half into 2 pi r into r. 2 pi r means is the periphery multiplied by this r, that gives the area of the concerned circle, which is having the radius of r. Now we will discuss regarding the perimeter of a sector. Definitely, if we consider this theta equal to 30 degree, then this perimeter of the sector is AC curved path plus AO plus OC. That means equal to, for full curved length this is 2 pi r. So for 30 degree angle this will be 2 pi r into 30 by 360 plus AO plus OC. That means 2 pi r by 12 plus 2r. So this will be the perimeter of the sector, which is equal to the length of the curved path plus AO plus OC. If we treat this as 60 degree, for 30 degree this will be the case scenario. If we treat this as 45 degree, Then for 45 degree length will be 2 pi r into 45 by 360 plus 2r, that means 2 pi r by 8 plus 2r. This is the perimeter of a sector with given angle at the center. Now we will try to calculate the concerned area. Suppose theta equal to 45 degree, then portion AOC area of portion AOC equal to pi r square into 45 by 360, that is equal to pi r square by 8. So this way we can calculate the area and perimeter of a sector given by the angle which is created at the center of the circle. Hope these things will be helpful to the students for calculation in mathematical area and the circumference, perimeter of the circle and all these things. Thank you.